Hi, so today we're going to make a very simple Origami Yoda. This only has 5 folds. You're first going to fold up about 1/3 of your paper, up like that. Make a good crease down at the bottom. Then flip your paper over. So there's your fold. Flip your paper over. And here you're going to fold about 1/3. Again, over, make a good crease. Make sure you're lined up down at the bottom, right down here. And again, on the other side, you're going to overlap just a little bit. And make a good crease. Now you're going to take this corner up here and fold it out like that. This down here is Yoda's robe. And up here is going to be his head. This is his ear. So you're going to take this side and do the same thing. Just down to where the robe begins and make a crease there. It sort of looks like a jacket. And now fold the top part down to where your robe begins. Just like that. Good crease. And now draw a face. Give him some eyes. And there's your 5-fold Origami Yoda.